Hi everyone, this is Loreli with WTI, and let me show you why I love using my Keurig K-Compact to make coffee every morning. Well, first of all, if you like coffee like me, you're gonna love this machine because it allows you to try out different types of coffee, different flavors of coffee every single day. It brews your cup of coffee within 30 seconds, so it's very handy when you're in a hurry especially. You can see it's very easy to fill out. The tank is in the back. You have 3 different size cups you can choose from. You have the 10 ounce, the 8 ounce, and the 6 ounce cup of coffee. It doesn't take up too much space, and I've had it over 2 years now and still works perfectly. That's why I really recommend it. So for all of these reasons is why I love using the Keurig K-Compact. Again, I'm Loreli with WTI, and this was my point of view.